In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the disk is write protected error quickly and easily. So let's start the video. First of all, check if there is a physical write protection switch on the USB drive or SD card. Some storage devices have a small switch that can be toggled to enable or disable write protection. Make sure that this switch is set to the unlocked position. Now, type CMD into the Windows search bar. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted in the user control window. Type diskpart in the command prompt, then press enter. Next, type list space disk to see the list of all connected disks. Now find the number of the write protected disks. My write protected disk is disk 1. So I will type select space disk space 1. You need to replace it with the number of your own write protected disks. After that, type attributes space disk space clear space read only. This command will remove the write protection from the disk. After following these steps, close command prompt and check if you can access your disk again. If everything worked, the disk should no longer be write protected and your error will be fixed surely. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video.